A sea eagle or fish eagle, also called erne or erne, mostly in reference to the white-tailed eagle, is any of the birds of prey in the genus Haliaeetus. In the bird of prey family Accipitridae, it's vary in size from Sanford's sea eagle, averaging to 2.7 kilograms, to Steller's sea eagle, weighing up to 9 kilograms, at up to 6.9 kilograms. The white-tailed eagle is the largest eagle in Europe. These eagles live along rivers, big lakes, and tidewaters throughout the world except South America. The white-tailed eagle and the bald eagle, though closely related, are two distinct species. They are both sea eagles sharing the same genus Haliaeetus. They are also similar in size with a nearly identical wingspan. There is only a discrepancy of half an inch or less between the wingspan. The white-bellied sea eagle feeds mainly off aquatic animals, such as fish, turtles, and sea snakes, but it takes birds and mammals as well. It is a skilled hunter and will attack prey up to the size of a swan. Sea eagles also feed on carrion such as sheep and fish along the waterline. Some of the species have an all-yellow beak as adults, which is unusual among eagles. Their diets consist mainly of fish, aquatic birds, and small mammals. Nests are typically very large and positioned in a tree, but sometimes on a cliff. The breeding season is characterized by frequent loud calling, especially by the male in the vicinity of the eyrie, sometimes taking the form of a duet between the pair. Eagles have a characteristic aerial courtship display which includes flying together, calling, and touching talons. The female lays 2 or 3 dull white eggs 2 to 5 days apart in March or April, and starts to incubate with the first egg for 38 days per egg. She does most of the incubation. The eggs hatch a few days apart. Although the chicks are quite tolerant of each other, there is competition between them. The female does most of the brooding and direct feeding of the young, but the male takes over now and then. He provides the female and the young with all food for the first 3 weeks after the chicks hatch, after which the female joins in hunting. The young feed themselves in the nest. When they are 5 to 6 weeks old, they fledge at 10 to 11 weeks and remain close to the nest, dependent on their parents. For a further 5 to 6 weeks, the white-bellied sea eagle first breeds at approximately 6 years old. The mortality rate is high amongst newly independent young birds, but if juveniles survive to breeding age, they may live for up to 30 years. Predators of eagles include humans, hawks, and raccoons. The heaviest recorded and verified weight a bird can lift is 15 pounds, held by the bald eagle for lifting a mule deer far of the said weight. Sea eagle nests are called eyries, and they are built high in dead ore, open-topped trees near rivers, or on rocky cliffs up to 100 feet 30 meters above ground. The massive nest they build sometimes contain 100 or more large branches. According to the IUCN Red List, the total population size of Steller's sea eagle is around 4,600 minus 5,100 individuals, including around 1,830 minus 1,900 breeding pairs. The adult white-tailed eagle is a grayish mid-brown color overall, contrasting with the rest of the plumage. In the adult are a clearly paler looking head, neck, and upper breast, which is most often a buffy hue. The brownish hue of the adult overall makes the somewhat wedge-shaped white tail stand out in contrast. All the bare parts of their body on adults are yellow in color, including the bill, cirri, feet, and eyes. These eagles are believed to breed only in far eastern Russia, along the coasts and surrounding islands of the Sea of Okhotsk and Bering Sea. They are most common on the Kamchatka Peninsula. Each winter, many Steller's sea eagles migrate from their breeding grounds to Japan, and a few reach Korea. Some excellent sea eagle facts. Sea eagle is a catch, all name for 8 species of eagle. The Haliaeetus is possibly one of the oldest genera of birds still in existence today. Eagles build the largest tree nests ever recorded of any type of animal, up to 4 meters deep and 2.5 meters wide. The Steller's sea eagle is considered the most aggressive and powerful of the genus. Female sea eagles tend to be larger than the males. Sea eagle is thought to be one of the birds with the largest wings in flight, so of course they fly quite fast. On average, they can fly about 43.5 miles per hour, 69 kilometers per hour. The great bard Taliesin wrote of the white-tailed eagle's habit of scavenging battlefields, and early Welsh literature depicts them as symbols of great power. A white eagle is not technically a species of bird, but as a symbol, it is commonly associated with spirituality. The color white has been used in many religions to represent purity and holiness. White eagles symbolize these attributes and symbolize one's connection to spirituality in general.